2 days of non-stop progress and this place has absolutely exploded with activity. Cranes are moving, diamonds are rising, llamas are going up on two fronts simultaneously. Camp Nou is firing on all cylinders right now. Let's break down every single update section by section. Starting at South Goal, and the big talking point is Crane TC2. In 2 days, not a single box or pillar has been lifted. Workers were spotted at the top near the hook, and it turns out the crane had mechanical issues requiring maintenance checks before handling the heavy compression ring pieces. The good news, specialists confirmed everything is now fixed, and TC2 should be back in action, lifting pillars and boxes very soon. Cimbras are fully prepared and waiting on the platform above. Big visual progress on the ceramic llama facade. The first llamas have been placed on the South Goal curve section, where the superstructure anchoring work has been advancing strongly. More diagonal iron bars have been added across the facade framework, and that is a very encouraging sign. 2 separate teams are now actively installing llamas, one on the lateral, one on South Goal. Painters are also active in this section, applying black coating with rollers, carefully preparing surfaces for final finishing work ahead. From the top vantage point, excellent visibility over the third cantilever. Cimbras are fully installed and ready. New cimbras were also raised at North Goal. 2 more added just this morning. The compression ring is advancing rapidly on the North Goal side. A box was successfully placed there yesterday evening around 7 p.m., with 3 exterior-facing pillars now clearly visible. North Goal is currently running ahead of South Goal by approximately 2 boxes, and that gap could grow even further today. Major progress on the lateral. All 3 diamond structures are now simultaneously active for the first time. The first diamond already has formwork panels going up after initial concrete pours. The second diamond has ironwork well underway. The third diamond, the largest of the 3, now has stirrups being placed on pillars, confirming active structural work has properly begun. First concrete slabs have also appeared on previously unstarted core nucleus groups. Joints on the third-tier seating are being sealed with visible dark gray filler material throughout. A rare interior walk through the parking access on Travessera de la Cour revealed the stadium's impressive sustainability infrastructure already in place. 4 enormous rainwater collection cisterns are installed around the stadium, designed to supply all bathroom facilities across all 3 tiers. Over 18,000 square meters of photovoltaic solar panels will cover nearly 40% of the roof surface. Water treatment machinery and recycling systems are already fully operational. At North Goal, TC5 crane attempted a box lift in the afternoon. Slings were rigged, the box rose cleanly, but at near placement height something failed to align properly, and the box was carefully lowered back down for inspection. Workers are reviewing the issue, and a second attempt is expected shortly. Additionally, 3 new staircases have arrived on site, bringing the visible total to 4, out of the 100 required for the full stadium fit-out. That is everything from today. Compression ring pushing ahead at North Goal. 3 diamonds all active at the same time. Llamas on 2 fronts, and TC2 finally back in action. The pace at this stadium right now is something else entirely. Subscribe, hit the bell, and we will see you in the next one.